Together, I want to do this with you guys. Alright, let's go. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, Joe. You make it jump. Say you make it jump. Like you gotta make it jump. Say you gotta make it jump. Say you
pull up, say jump. One question,
Harmony rest.
Instagram post pitch. You know, say follow me back. One man say this, one man say another thing. Come on, other thing and another thing. For one thing and another thing. Make it jump. People in the front.
Come on, people in the front. Yeah, this body like to jump. Yeah, this body like to jump.
All my people in the back. All my people in the back. All my people in the trap. All my people in the trap. All my people in the field. Picking things from the other side. Be very careful with the shit. I seen them spaz, now I'm traumatized. A little change and never change. I drink a little
Sham for the pain. Man, if it's fuck them all, it's fuck them all. I don't think I can ever
rephrase it. I'm getting calls for my cousin. Never seen that nigga I had a talk with this kind of honey. I was thinking about fucking up. Like get in the bag. Leave every recording device on the dashboard. After one look at my invoice, got a driver's license and a passport. Yeah, that means I'm about to go overboard.
Overboard and overboard,
Bitch, what you think they're taking photos for? Very. Now please, close all the curtains for me. They might be recording this.
Say what?
I'm not going out again.
Till what?
Till I get my rolly bitch.
Say pull up, say jump. One question, how many rest? Instagram post pics. You know, say follow me back. One man say this. One man say another thing. Come on, other thing. For hey, say all my people in the front. All my people in the front. Yeah, this party about to jump. Yeah, this party about to jump. All my people in the back. All my people in the back. All my people in the trap. All my people in the trap.
Man, you should hate yourself.